How to transfer files from Android to PC. So if you want to transfer files from Android to PC, then what you need to do is first you need to insert your USB cable from your mobile to your PC. So once you've inserted on your mobile device, it will ask you to allow the file access. So you just need to simply go with the USB preferences and select file transfer. Once you've selected the file transfer on your Android device, you need to open up your File Explorer. Once you open up your File Explorer here on the left side under this PC, you will have your Android device. So you just need to simply double click on it and you will have your internal storage of your Android device. Again, double click on it and now you can simply select any folder that you would like to transfer to your laptop or your PC. So for example, I'll just simply choose this December 17 folder. Now select the destination where you would like to add that folder. So just drag and drop the folder and that's it. The folder has been added. So that's how you can transfer your files from your Android to your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.